In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use the Claude Code CLI and API plus MCP subagents and save sessions. We'll start by getting your Claude Code API key, log into your Claude account, open settings, then find API keys. Generate and copy your unique key and keep it secure. Don't paste it into public repos or share it in screenshots. We'll use it locally and through environment variables so it stays private. Next, install the Claude Code CLI on Linux or macOS. Run curl fsso https claude.com install.sh bash. On Windows, open PowerShell and run IWR https claude.com install.ps1 useb iex. When it finishes, verify the install by running claude/version. If you see a version number, you're good to go. Now set your API key as an environment variable so the CLI and your scripts can find it automatically. On Linux or macOS with ZSH or Bash, run export Claude API key, your API key here. On Windows PowerShell, run sex Claude API key, your API key here. On Windows, open a new terminal so the change takes effect. For a permanent setup on macOS or Linux, consider adding the export line to your shell profile. You can now start the CLI with your key by running Claude API key, Claude API key. This lets you use the CLI without manual login. In interactive mode, use the same command and then type prompts like generate a React component for a dashboard with Tailwind CSS. You'll get structured, copy-ready output right in your terminal. If you prefer using the API programmatically, here are quick examples. In Node.js, require the Claude Code package, create a new Claude client with API key set to process.env.claude.api key, then call client.generate with a prompt like create a login page in React with validation and a max tokens of 300, log response.text to see the result. In Python, import Claude client from Claude Code, pass in the key from os.getNV, Claude API key, call generate with a prompt like generate a Node.js API endpoint for user registration.